Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. I will be discussing a crucial topic in the field of veterinary medicine and zoonotic diseases. Bacteria in wild boars potentially transmissible to livestock and humans. This presentation will highlight the risk associated with the boar population and their role as potential carriers of harmful bacteria which could have significant consequences for both animal health and human safety. Wild boars are increasingly interacting with livestock and humans, raising concerns about zoonotic disease they carry. This presentation will explore the key bacterial agent transmitted by wild boars, their impact on livestock and human health, and steps to mitigate the risk. This disease is tuberculosis, a silent thief. Mycobacterium bovis infect livestock, ruminants, wildlife, and humans, spreading through aerosols or contaminated products as milk or meat. Wild boars, once considered terminal hosts, are now recognized as a reservoir capable to transmitting tuberculosis bovis to domestic animals and humans, hunters or veterinarians, especially in Europe, where up to 50% of wild boars test positive. Transmission to humans, handling infected carcasses or consuming contaminated meat. To domestic animals, and direct contact with charred grazing areas or water sources. To wildlife, spread to other species like deer or buffalo. Strict management of wild boar population and health control measures are crucial to limit outbreaks. Disease number 2, brucellosis. Brucellose suis is an intracellular pathogen responsible for brucellosis, a zoonotic disease that affects pigs, human, and wild boars, causing abortion and infertility in animals and chronic fever in humans. What is the role of wild boars as transmitters? Reservoir of brucellosis up to 30% of wild boar tested in Italy, Croatia, Spain, Germany, and Japan are positive for Brucella suis. Transmission to humans. Hunters and professionals handling infected wild boars are at risk of infection. Human cases have been reported after handling wild boar meat. Transmission to the domestic pigs. Proximity to infected wild boars poses a significant threat to domestic pig farms. In conclusion, wild boar as reservoirs of Brucella suis present a significant risk to humans and domestic pigs, particularly in regions with a high prevalence. Other pathologies is leptospirosis. Domestic pigs infected by Leptospira enterogens can become carriers and intermittently shedding the bacterium from their kidneys, even while circulating antibodies are present. Role of wild boars in leptospirosis transmission. Infection with boars. Studies show that 6 to 18% of wild boars in Italy, Austria, and Berlin test positive for leptospirol antibodies. Transmission to human and domestic animals. Infected wild boars can serve as source of infection of domestic pigs and humans, particularly hunters. Human exposed in Austria, approximately 10% of hunters had leptospirol antibodies, highlighting the risk of transmission from wild boars to human. In conclusion, wild boar carrying leptospirals pose a significant risk for the transmission of leptospirosis to both human and domestic animals. Other zoonotic bacterial agents that wild boars can serve as a reservoir for include Coxella bruneti, the causative of agent of Q fever, Francella tularensis, which cause tularemia, and Yersinia pestis that cause bubonic and pneumonic plaques. Management strategies, monitoring wild boar populations to changing biosecurity measures on farms, promoting safe handling of wild boar carcasses, public awareness camping on zoonotic risks. The need for research, prevalence studies. For their research is needed to accurately assess the prevalence of zoonotic bacteria in wild boar population, transmission dynamics, understanding how these bacteria are transmitted between wild boars, livestock, and human is crucial. Effective control measures, developing effective control measures to mitigate the risk posed by zoonotic bacteria is wild. Growing threat. Wild boar pose growing threat to livestock and human health due to the increasing interactions. Reverse bacterial agent. Wild boars harbor a wide range of zoonotic bacterial agents. Effective management. Implementing comprehensive management strategies is crucial to mitigate. Next step, collaborative effort and interdisciplinary collaboration between veterinarians, wildlife biologists, public health professionals, and farms is crucial. Raising awareness, public awareness campaigns are essential to inform hunters and the general population about zoonotic risk. Continuous monitoring. Ongoing monitoring of wild boar population and zoonotic disease is essential for early detection and intervention. Thank you for your attention.